Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to set up recurring payments in Stripe. A recurring payment is a payment that is made on a regular schedule and is often paid automatically. Basically, this is a convenient way for customers to purchase a product or service without having to remember to actually make a payment. And by using Stripe's automatic payments, you'll reduce the manual activity of creating invoice over and over again. Are you ready to learn how to set up recurring payments with Stripe automatic payments? Once you've set up your account, you're ready to start setting up recurring payments on Stripe. To get started, click on Products on your Stripe dashboard. Stripe subscriptions are created within a product. To add a new product, hit Add Product. Enter the name of your recurring product or subscription plan. For this Stripe tutorial for beginners, we'll use the name Yearly Platinum Consulting. Upload a product or service image. Add a product description if needed. Under Pricing Model, keep Standard Pricing selected. For the purpose of this Stripe Recurring Payments guide, we're going to keep this selected. However, feel free to check out other pricing models like volume pricing, graduated pricing, and package pricing. Under Price, keep Recurring selected. Enter a price in the field given and choose your currency. Select a billing period like weekly, monthly, every 6 months, yearly, or custom billing cycle. Because we're focusing on how to set up recurring payments, we're going to opt for a monthly billing period. Keep the usage is metered, box unchecked to charge a flat monthly fee. Enter the price description for internal reference if necessary. To add more pricing plans for this product, click on Add Another Price. But we'll skip it for now. Hit Save Product button. Now you have to create a Stripe payment link. Select Create Payment Link on the bottom right corner. This is where you can create a payment link for each of your products or send the payment page link to your customers so that they can directly sign up and make the purchase. Add more products to this link. On the payment page, you can tap on Confirmation Page, select Replace Default with Custom Message and replace the message. You can also check the preview on your right. Choose not to show the confirmation page at all, instead redirect people to your website. For the purpose of this Stripe automatic payment tutorial, we're going to hit Create Link and Copy Link on our Stripe dashboard. Navigate over Customers. Select the customer that you wish to offer a subscription to. Locate Subscriptions and hit Create. Under Product, choose your subscription plan from the drop-down. Under Subscription Schedule, choose the start and end date of the billing cycle. You can also click on Forever and choose 12 cycle, since this is a yearly subscription plan. You don't need to choose an end date for your plan. It will continue forever until you or the customer decides to end the subscription. Scroll down to Payment Method. Choose Email Invoice to the customer to pay manually if the customer's payment method is still not a file. Select Invoice Payment Page checkbox. You can manage payment methods, add a demo, and set up advanced options like adding an invoice footer. The footer can include the terms and conditions of your service. Hit Start Subscription on the top right corner. And congratulations, you've successfully learned how to use Stripe recurring payments. You can also click on the Stripe subscription. Tap on Actions on the right. Update the subscription, pause payment collection, cancel it, or reschedule cancellation. Issue refund during the cancellation also is available. Add a subscription plan and invoice. Head back to the Customers tab, select a customer, tap on Actions again, select Create an Invoice. Under Items, choose the subscription plan, hit Save. You can add additional items if needed and select the Email Invoice option under Payment. Change the payment options if you like and add a due date. Navigate over to the Payments tab and you'll find all of your subscriptions on the left-hand side, scheduled, ongoing, and cancelled. We have good news. There's another way you can learn how to use Stripe for recurring payments, which is Add Subscription Plan. Keep the Payments tab selected. Tap on Subscriptions on the left. Hit Create Subscription. Add the customer, choose your subscription plan, set up your subscription schedule, and select the Email Invoice option. Add a memo and check out additional options like adding a footer and as explained earlier. Hit Start Subscription on the top right corner, and that's how to use Stripe for recurring payments. To view all your payment links, select the Payments tab again. Choose the Payment Links option on the left. This is where you can locate all the Stripe payment links. And there you go, that concludes our Stripe tutorial to using recurring payments for beginners. Now let's answer some frequently asked questions. Can Stripe do automatic recurring payments? Yes, the best thing about Stripe is that once it's set up, Stripe's recurring payments are all automatic, saving you time and money. This makes it so easy for you to collect payments from your customers. Can you set up weekly payments in Stripe? Absolutely. Better yet, with Stripe's recurring payment ability, you can set up daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly payment options. Plus, if you don't want to make use of Stripe's automatic payment choices, you can manually set up payments. Which is better, Stripe or PayPal? Both Stripe and PayPal are awesome payment processing providers. It all depends on what you want to get out of the service. Stripe's automatic payments, customization capabilities, and low transaction fees make the platform desirable. PayPal is more simple to use and may be better suited for beginners. And that's it, guys. We conclude our tutorial of this. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.